Kaliana no ko hoki mai e o koinoa. Eia no la au maane i e kaliana no ko hoki mai e o koinoa. Hahina ia mai e na ka puana la, ka le aloha la, ka iula ni la kuhu aloha. Hahina ia mai e na ka puana la, ka le aloha la, ka iula ni la kuhu aloha. Kuhu aloha, kuhu aloha.
All right, so we got Megan back there. Aloha, Megan. I'm Richie. Welcome aboard. We got Hannah in the front now. Welcome aboard. I'm Richie. Aloha. We got Rebecca with us now. Aloha, I'm Richie. And Alwyn's with us. Aloha, I'm Richie. Welcome aboard. Now Clark's on board. Aloha, Clark. Welcome aboard. And now Jane is with us. Everybody's on board. All right. Aloha, Kakiako, Lekeke, Ko'ui, Noa, Kehe, Oi. That's Hawaiian for good morning. My name is Richie. You can hear me okay. Just give me a thumbs up. Perfect. Have any of you been on the helicopter before? Everybody got a safety briefing in the lobby, correct? First couple minutes of the flight, I won't be talking to you. I'll be busy talking to the control tower. Once we go clear the airport, I'll turn the intercom back on, and I'll narrate the flight for you the whole time. Just see yourself on the monitor there. You're live on video. Everything you do will be held against you for use in the future. So I'll be making a video of the flight. You'll be in it. We also have 3 outside cameras to catch all the action. All the music and narration will be on the video too. We're ready to go. All you have to do is sit back, relax, enjoy the music. And I'll be back on the airwaves when we're clear the airport. And we'll be on our way as soon as the tower says we can go. We're just waiting for our takeoff clearance down.
fire. I come here to warn you about tonight's campfire. When I woke up this morning, I saw the cane was pushed to the ground. The helicopter's soaring, the guard was snooping around. Hey, the children, gotta move them before they die. You grab yours, I'll take mine. I gotta pull them in time before the cane fire. I gotta warn you about the cane fire. Burn, burn, burning from the cane fire. Gotta save those children. Prices every day getting higher. Won't let our money burn in the cane fire. Got the hungry babies and a rent to be paid. Right before the harvest, this is no time for a race. Save the children, gotta move them before they die. You grab yours, I'll take mine. I gotta pull them in time before the cane fire. I gotta warn you about the cane fire. Burn, burn, burning from the cane fire. Gotta save those.
Oh, kapamaya kama, hali nalaikea. Hey, alam now kalipo. Ana oya kifono, ana oya kifono. Oh, kapamaya kama, hali maya nalaikea.
Okay, back on the air with you. We're getting a little ways away from the airport traffic area now. We're westbound on the North Shore, coming out of 1,200 feet, doing about 110 miles an hour at the moment. You can drive around this end of the island, going northwest of Lahaina. The road is paved the whole way. So it takes a couple hours to get to Lahaina this way. Two reasons. One reason is the curves in the road, they slow you down. Also, there's a section of that road that's only as wide as one car. So someplace you got to back up to let the traffic go by. But it is paved the whole way. You can see the road just above the cliff that we're approaching. So we're going to make a left turn here and head right up into the valley now.
Ilioki aluga maku alo ayonetanon ikananyo hatilu alu apole yadaleo daman yedurati mawilo
The valley we're heading up into is called Waihe'e. So Waihe'e in Hawaiian means slippery water. The valley got that name because we get so much rain here that moss grows on the rocks, making it tricky to walk and hike up into the valley. Perfect view of the tallest waterfall on the Atlas Valley, straight ahead of us, the back of the Suicide Canyon. The waterfall back there plunges 1,250 feet to the bottom. Everybody still doing good? All right, we'll go further to the back of the valley, huh? From here on up, the only way you can see this part of the valley is by helicopter. We were hiking down there. Well, the waterfalls are just too tall to climb over to get this far back. So we're going to go to the very back wall, the back right-hand corner of the valley over there, which is called the Wall of Tears. It's called that because the waterfalls back there, they don't flow from the top of the mountain because they come right out of holes in the porous lava rock. So it gives the impression that appearance to go to the mountain was weeping or crying. That is how it got the name the Wall of Tears. It has the very back.
So for
the view right now, all the way to the back of Waihehe Valley and the Wall of Tears, you can see the continent out to right now, it's so So just think, everybody, this is where the stream begins, with the water flowing right out of the rock. All this mountain range west bowing, it is the second wettest spot in the whole world. You get over 450 inches of rain a year on the top of the mountain. The wettest spot in the whole world, that would be the island of Kauai, Mount Waialeale. It's over 600 inches of rain a year. We're number 2 with more than 450. However, we were the wettest spot in the world one time. 1980. Oh, that was a wet year. 1980, we got over 600 inches of rain on the mountain. That's the only recorded time in history that I was wettest spot in the world. So this mountain range, West Valley, supplies most of the Amana Mountain, which is drinking water supplies it. About a half mile down the stream, there's a small dam located down there. They actually divert part of the stream and it goes through the mountain through a tunnel to the county water system from way up here in the valley. We get a good view of the Waihe Valley Ridge Trail right on the top of the ridge ahead to our left. This is actually the most high trail on the island of Maui. So many people hike it every day that you'll see it looks like a dirt road running on the ridge. There's a bunch of people hiking on it right now. And we'll go back down to the coast. We'll follow the cliffs as we head to the island of Molokai. Get some more views of the road down to the left and down to the right there as it winds its way through the gulches and the ravines on its way to Lahaina. As we go offshore here, we'll descend down to 1,000 feet along the cliff. These are the tallest peaks on the island of Maui. Up ahead, they're going to stop out at about 600 feet. Okay, we'll be looking at the tallest peaks in the whole world. The north shore of Molokai, where they plunge over 3,000 feet straight down. We'll just cord on that side over there. There's a single house on the top of the last peak over there, all by itself, surrounded by the pine trees. That brown house right on there, it's got a beautiful view from that home. Unfortunately, nobody lives there anymore. That home belongs to a chronic sleepwalker, but she's gone now. It's such a lame joke, I know, that's like a dad joke. In my case, that would be a grandpa joke, I guess. I have a few more of those to torture you with later on in the flight. On the return flight, we'll be flying along the same coast facing the other way. So when we do that, we'll have all the same views on the right side that we're getting out the left side at the moment. The Knob Chief Mountain Peak coming up next is Kahakalau Point. When we pass that peak, we'll get a good look at Kahakalau Village. Let's say you decide to drive around, descend to the island. When you pass through Kahakalau Village, then you know you're about halfway around the drive to Lahaina. It's also referred to as King Kahikile's Leap. That's because King Kahikile would slip dive off lower sections of that pinnacle before going to battle as a sign of bravery to inspire his warriors. A couple whales down on the left side here. On the right side now. Nice shot there. Straight ahead is the end of the island up there, the northwest tip of Maui, called Nakaleti Point. There is a blowhole located at Nakaleti Point. A blowhole is a hole in the lava rock formed when the lava flowed out in the ocean, left a hole or puka in it. When the tide is high enough and the big swells come in, it'll force the water through the puka. That blowhole can spout like 100 feet in the air. There we go. Straight ahead. People park their cars along the road above the blowhole, then they hike down to it. People like to stand around it and get sprayed by ocean water for free. Probably the cheapest form of Maui entertainment when it's started. There goes again, another blast. We'll pass another whale on the right side here, and pass the blowhole on the left side. guys. When we come back this way, we'll put the blower off the other side, but right now we're going to begin our journey across the channel to the island of Molokai. We're more than 8 miles across the channel here from Nakaleti Point on Maui behind us to Cape Malama, the northeast tip of Molokai, straight ahead now. The group singing for us is called Navai Eha. That's actually my grandsons that are singing and playing music for us. So they came out with their second album the end of last year, and they won the Hoku Hano Hano Hawaiian Music Awards for Best Album, Best Song, Best Group, Best Hawaiian Pronunciation, and they got a Grammy nomination. So the name of this channel we're crossing, this is called the Pailolo Channel. In Hawaiian, Pailolo means crazy fisherman. The Hawaiians named it that because they thought anybody would be crazy to go fishing in this channel. That's because this particular channel can get extremely rough very quickly and without any warning. As far as the depth of the channel, it doesn't really get that deep, relatively speaking. Maximum depth of the Pailolo Channel just a little over 800 feet. 800 might sound deep, however, if we made a right turn and went that way 2 miles, over there it would drop to 18,000 feet. And that's because there are no islands or landmass to the north of us, so it kind of makes 800 sound a little bit shallow in comparison. So the island of Molokai is the 5th largest Hawaiian island. It covers 260 square miles. It's 38 miles long and 10 miles wide at the widest point. Population of Molokai just a little over 7,000 people, but it has the highest percentage of people with Hawaiian blood. My mother-in-law was pure Hawaiian. Makes my lovely wife here half Hawaiian. Makes our kids quarter Hawaiian. And our grandkids are more than that because my son-in-laws are about 3/4 Hawaiian. But you don't come across very many pure Hawaiians anymore. So we're named directly at Turtle Rock. If you picture the small rock coming out of the ocean as the head of the turtle, and the large rock is the back shell, with a flipper coming towards us. When we come back from Molokai, we'll pass it on the other side. When we do that, it'll take on a different animal shape. But right now, it looks like the sea turtle or the honu. Beautiful green pasturelands up on top of Cape Palava belong to Pu'u'ohuku Ranch, one of several cattle ranches that are located on Molokai. We're going to fly over the ranch and then above Halava Valley. Halava Valley is the very first place settled by the Hawaiians, who were the Polynesians that came here from the Marquesas Islands. They settled Halava Valley back in 650 AD. Once Molokai was settled, then they went to the other islands after that. We are over Pu'u'ohuku Ranch now. Pu'u'ohuku in Hawaiian means hill of stars.
Ike akao kamahina ikamoana ohihi kamana oikanania ohina nana ayaibuna ohina ikamatama tabahi.
When we come up to Halava Valley, we'll see two beautiful beaches down at the entrance to the valley.
He pua ke aloha, e ka wowoa e ana mai, ano mai o loko lilo. E kupuana aliko alau, ai o pu'umaia ne mo halapono.
Also down to the right at the bottom of the valley is where the road ends. So you cannot drive past Halava Valley because once you reach here, you're at the tallest sea cliff in the world. No roads beyond this point. And on the left side, we've got quite a bit of water coming down Halava Falls right now. Of course, the only thing that keeps those waterfalls flowing is runoff rainwater from the forest above them. Sometimes we'll see people swimming in that bottom pond. You can actually hike to that pond from the coast. Nobody down there right now, though. We'll head out of here, we'll go straight out to the North Shore now. We get a look at the tallest sea cliffs in the whole world, according to the Guinness Book of World So we are coming up on the tallest sea cliffs in the whole world right now. So that's an incredible view. 38 miles to the end of the island. So clear today, if you look beyond Molokai, you can see Diamond Head Crater on Oahu way out there. Okay, everybody, what will go really good with the tallest sea cliffs in the world? How about the tallest waterfall in Hawaii? Straight ahead, that's what we're looking at. That one plunges 1,749 feet to the bottom.
Breaking through the clouds. mountains in the sea, held captive in timeless lore. Island in your eyes, paradise, calling you, calling me, calling me. Smiley holds her breath, warm winds gently touch sunshine from your heart, descending in magic. Island in your eyes, paradise, calling you, calling me, calling if you try hard,
We'll climb right up to the top of it. Everybody still doing good? All right, perfect. Sometimes we'll see the mountain goats out here on the steep cliff. So Molokai has wild goats, wild pigs, bighorn sheep, and even deer hunting. Probably have Zion that there are no snakes in the whole state of Hawaii, unless you count lawyers, and there's thousands, otherwise no snakes. So the main economy of Molokai used to be the pineapple industry. There used to be a huge pineapple plantation located on the southwest end of the island owned by Dole Pineapple Company, but it closed down. What happened was foreign imported pineapples became cheaper than the ones grown here, so it forced the plantation out of business. When the plantation was closing, Molokai Ranch built a hotel on the west end of the island. They were hoping to provide jobs to the people that were losing their pineapple jobs. Wife and I stayed at that hotel a couple times. It was a small Sheraton. It was a nice place, but it was out in the middle of nowhere. Beach wasn't safe swimming due to the strong current and the big waves, so the hotel was never very busy, so it closed down. Unfortunately, due to the failure of the hotel and the lost pineapple jobs, Molokai has the highest unemployment rate of any island. Beautiful place to live, but difficult place to earn a living due to the lack of job opportunities. I have at least 2 dozen friends born and raised on Molokai that moved to Maui to find employment and also to be able to buy a home.
Have
a nice view from offshore now. Looking back up into Halal Valley where the very first settlement was. So in the days of the early Hawaiians, over 5,000 people living in the valley then. Today, less than a dozen people live there. One reason for the lack of people, that valley does not have electricity. And most people don't want to live without electricity these days. We're going to leave the friendly isle behind us now. That is Molokai's nickname, the Friendly Isle. Every island has a nickname. Maui's nickname is the Friendly Isle. We'll pass by Turtle Rock again, this time on the north side of it. We'll just look at the large rock, because the small rock won't be part of the picture on this pass. When we get a beam that just starts to pass, it'll change shape. This time it'll look like an elephant laying down on its right side. The tail of the elephant is towards us. And the back of the elephant curving up around to the front left where the head and the trunk is at. So it was a turtle, but now it's an elephant. Even has a smile there. Pretty cool. It's called Pulelehua. Pulelehua in Hawaiian means butterfly. This grandson singing now with the song for his daughter, my great-granddaughter. So the one singing for us now, his name is Kamaheu Kamaleona Halalani Kamalehi Kuba'a. You say that correct, you get a free helicopter flight. Nobody's won that yet. It's his birthday today, actually. All 9 of our grandchildren speak fluent Hawaiian. That's because they all went to Hawaiian Immersion School, where the language they spoke from preschool through the 12th grade was Hawaiian. That's how they're able to write beautiful Hawaiian songs so they can think in the Hawaiian language. And our eldest daughter teaches Hawaiian at the University of Hawaii on Maui. And 2 of our grandsons teach it on Maui, now one is public and the other in a private school. As we head across the channel to Maui, the Valley Isle, down the channel to the right, it's about 15 miles to the little island of Lanai over there. Lanai's nickname is the Pineapple Isle. We got that nickname because Lanai had the largest pineapple plantation in the whole world on it, owned by Dole Pineapple Company. Closed out shortly after Molokai did for the same economic reason. So they built 2 resorts on Lanai. One at Manele Bay on a beautiful beach, and the other resort up in the town in Lanai City. And both of those resorts have been very successful in providing jobs for the people there that lost their pineapple jobs. Maui is the 2nd largest Hawaiian island. It covers 720 square miles. Maui is about 40 miles long. The narrowest part of Maui is the Central Valley we took off from. It's only 7 miles across that narrow stretch. Maui is bigger than the island of Oahu, though. I just think Oahu has 10 times the population, over 1 million people there, versus about 160,000 living on Maui today. My parents flew to Maui in 1966. I was 13 years old when we came. The population of Maui at that time was only 30,000. There were only 3 hotels on Maui then. Not a single condominium had been built yet. And we only had 3 traffic light signals on the whole island. All three were in Wailuku, and they turned them off on Saturday and Sunday because there was no traffic. Hard to imagine the island being that slow. In those days, almost everybody worked in agriculture. We had 5 sugar mills operating 24/7 and 3 pineapple canneries. So you worked in a cannery or a mill or in the field. I worked in the pineapple cannery when I was a kid, but I almost got canned because I couldn't concentrate, and they put the squeeze on me. Oh, that's 3 in a row. All right, we're approaching Makaleli Point again, where the blowhole's at. If you decide to drive out here and hike down to the blowhole, that's all okay. Just don't get too close to the blowhole. A few years ago, a guy did that and somehow fell in the blowhole, and of course he did not survive that ordeal. I really did work in the pineapple cannery when I was a kid, but I didn't get canned. Actually, I quit after 4 days. My job was to sit at the canning machine and grab lids from boxes about this far away, put them on the machine like that, 8 hours a day. The clock was right in front of me too, so if time stood still, I just couldn't do it. Okay, we're coming up on the blowhole. We'll put it out the right side here as we go by it. We're directly beaming now. That's the spot. There you go. Big flash. Yeah, there's hundreds of ferocious wild pigs up in this rainforest. I know that. My father-in-law, he was one of the best-known wild boar hunters on the island. He hunted wild pigs his whole life. His father was a hunter before him. He taught me to hunt. I hunted with him for about 25 years. Biggest wild pig we ever caught weighed over 350 pounds. Had 3.5-inch tongue. That's one of the boar does that. You can actually hunt pigs all year round, every day. No limit on pig hunting. They did that because they've been trying to eradicate the wild pigs since I was a little kid, but that has not been working out. They just keep multiplying everywhere. They're a real nuisance now. Just ahead you can see where the rocks jut out into the ocean. There's some beautiful tide pools in these rocks. People refer to these as the olivine pools because they're kind of olivine green in color when the sunlight hits them just right. So you park along the road above this area and hike down the slip and then. So the popular one for swimming is one we're seeing right now where all the people are. And another view of Kahakaloa Village off to the right again, the halfway mark on the drive to Lahaina. When you drive to Lahaina, view of the North Shore. All right, make the shaka sign for the camp, everybody. Aloha. Hope everybody had a great time. Hope you have a great time the rest of the time you get to visit our beautiful island. Yeah, I guess I'm just stuck here the rest of my life. Another tough day at the office, but somebody's got to do this stuff. I want to thank each of you for choosing to fly with us. We sure appreciate that. It was my pleasure to be your pilot. Show you some of the beauty of Maui and Molokai today. I'm going to call the control tower and I'll be talking to those guys from now till touchdown. We touch it down in about 4 minutes and then I'll talk again when we get on the ground.
Listen to the whispering wind of the island. Come and hear the voices of a drifting
the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue, and I see clouds of white, and the brightness of day. I like the dark, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands.
Moving that just remain seated in the helicopters to the ground crew gives you instruction to exit, please.
I love you. I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drop, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
Alright, mahalo nui loa, hui ho malama pono. You can take off your goggles and headset. We're waiting for the ground crew. Thank you.